Hello guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I will share with you my top 7 ideas, but as usual, let's see how worked my previous idea what I give you on Friday. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I recommended you long this instrument if price hold above 1.089. As you can see, price hold above this level. That's why this idea still works. First target 1.092 and second 1.095. Pound USD. And the pound USD, I say it pretty depends on how price will react for this important level around 1.2980. As you can see, price right now inside this level. That's why, unfortunately, our entry point is not formed. USD Canadian dollar, recommended you short this currency pair because if price formed false breakout of important level around 1.4020. And as you can see, price hit my first target. My first target will be around 1.3960. Aussie USD, I recommended you short this instrument. This idea, in my point of view, still work right now. That's why if you're in a position to stay, first target will be 0.6475 gold. I recommended you take long in gold if price hold above 1735, but unfortunately price cannot hold above this level. That's why this entry point is not formed. In oil, I recommended you long this instrument if price hold above 31.80. As you can see, price hold above this level. That's why price hit my first target around 33.50. In the S&P 500, also my recommendation was a long if price hold above 29.15. As you can see, price hold above this level. That's why this idea is worked, and as you can see, price hit my first target, and my first target was around 29.70. Well, that's how it's worked. My previous ideas, right now let's focus on the current ideas for the next trading session. As usual, let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, if we're looking on a higher time frame like H1 in this case, here you can see price hold above important big consolidation here, and also price from false breakout of important support level. This is a pretty bullish signal. That's why I recommended you long this currency pair. First target will be around 1.092. Second target will be around 1.096. Pound USD. Pound USD right now inside important level. That's why it pretty depends on how price will be react for this level. I mean, if price hold above, what means hold above? At least 3 M15 candle should be open and close above this level. It will be a good opportunity for take a long. First target will be around 1.2240. If price hold below, it will be a good opportunity for take a short. First target will be around 1.21. Another currency pair is USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar looks pretty bullish. I recommend you take a long around 1.3960 if price hold reversal model around this level. First target will be 1.4020. Second target will be around 1.4070. Also, around 30% probability. If price hold below 1.3940, it will be a good opportunity for take a short, and first target will be around 1.39. Another currency pair, Aussie USD. If you look on Aussie USD, as I said on the previous recommendation, if you look on the H4 time frame, it's a pretty bearish scenario because price form false breakout of important resistance around 0.6560. And also this false breakout confirmed by volume spike here. This is pretty good confirmation. But yeah, like 65% probability of price going down until 0.6470 this level. But also, if you look at price going back and hold above 0.6560, it will be good opportunity for take a long, and your first target will be around 0.66. Gold. If you look on gold right now looks pretty bearish, and I recommend you short this instrument. First target will be around 17.12. Also, if price is going back again and hold above 17.35, it will be a good opportunity for take a long. First target will be around 17.50. And oil right now looks pretty bearish. I recommend you short this instrument. First target will be around 30, like, let's say, yeah, 32, and the second target will be around 28.50. S&P 500. S&P 500 looks pretty bullish. If we're going on a lower time frame, like in this case M15 time frame, I recommend you long this instrument, and your first target will be around 3,000 in S&P 500. Well, I think, guys, it will be useful for you, and I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. Good luck.